Hello, I'm Amanda, and the pronunciation activity I'll be showing you all today is called What's for Dinner? In this activity, students have to work out the answer to the question What's for dinner by solving a number of clues. The clues are groups of food vocabulary words, and each group of words has one common sound. Students find the common sound in each group of words and put all of the sounds together to answer the question What's for dinner? Here's the procedure, which is just a more in-depth description of the activity. So first, the teacher presents the students with multiple different numbered groups of words, each group having a common sound. The teacher instructs the students to find the common sound shared by all the words in each group of words. Write the sounds in the corresponding blanks at the bottom of the page and put all the sounds together to spell a word. Students will work in pairs to find the common sound and write the sound in the corresponding numbered spaces below. Once students have found all the sounds and written them in the blanks below, they put all the sounds together. When put together, the common sounds should sound out a whole new word. Students will write the new word with correct spelling in the blank provided, answering the question, What's for dinner? Last, the teacher checks the students' answers, praising them if they got it right, or giving them some additional guidance or feedback if they need redirection. Some benefits of this activity include that it's a great tool to help students practice making distinctions between how words are spelled and how they're pronounced. It's a useful way for learners to practice pronouncing different sounds they need help with, and it can be useful in practicing vocabulary as well as pronunciation. Some drawbacks that I could think of include that it may be difficult to use with beginner students who have limited vocabulary since the activity requires the use of a lot of different words. And another drawback could be that if the activity is done before lunchtime, it might make the students hungry. Some possible adaptations for this activity are: 1, the activity does not only need to be done using food items, any theme can really be used. For example, if you're doing a vocabulary unit about places around town, the question could be, where are we going, rather than what's for dinner, and you would use location-themed words. Students can also make their own puzzles, and the teacher could assign a student a target word to develop clues for using the sounds that they need the most practice with. So here is the example used in the pronunciation book. We have 4 groups of words, each with a common sound, and the prompt at the bottom. For dinner, we're going to have with 4 blanks for the word sounds, and then the prompt at the bottom, now write the word in correct spelling. So for our first group of words, we have biscuit, cake, bacon, and cabbage, all with the common sound k. Second group, we have orange, rice, curry, and carrot, all with the common sound r. Third group is kiwi fruit, cheese, pizza, and meat, all with the common sound e. Last group, we have salmon, milk, cucumber, and ham, all with the common sound m. When we put all the sounds together, we get k, r, e, m, cream, and this answers the question, what's for dinner? Cream. Now it's your turn to try out this activity. You can pause your video here and use this example to answer the question, what's for dinner? So hopefully you got the answer bread. Thanks so much for watching. I really enjoyed learning about this activity, and I hope this video was useful for you guys.